Welcome to the LMS tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to export our lesson as SCORM, and how to share it with other students. SimLab also supports uploading the lesson to SimLab VR viewer, and supports exporting the lesson as xAPI. In order to learn those, you can watch the tutorials available in SimLab Academy through the following path. Click on the category you want, then click on Watch Tutorial. To export the lesson as SCORM, click on VR Evaluation. Now click on Export as SCORM. You need to log in to your SimLab account. Choose the path and the name you want, then click Save. Fill in the fields in the Upload Lesson section. Now upload your thumbnail. You will find the groups and the courses you have created earlier in the administrator. Choose the ones you want. For the LRS settings, we are going to use SimLab LRS since we aren't using a custom one. In case you have one, you can enter it here. You can also specify the number of times the student is allowed to run the lesson or the quiz by changing the allowed attempts value. Under the SCORM version, you can choose between 1.2 and 2004 3rd edition, which are the most common versions. For this tutorial, since I will be using Moodle, I'm going to set it to 1.2. Now, click the VR settings. In the settings window, you can choose to optimize the package, which would reduce its size, and whether if the package can be opened using the viewer only. You can also disable parts or all of the VR menu that is accessible during the lesson, and since we don't want the participant to modify the scene during the VR experience, we will disable the whole menu. Click OK to export the SCORM package. Once the package is exported, go to Moodle's website. For this tutorial we will be using Moodle. But keep in mind that SCORM is compatible with a lot of LMS service providers. So no matter of what service you are using, as long as it has xAPI or SCORM, you can integrate your VR lessons in them. The first thing we need to do is to add a course, if you don't have one already. Click on Create New Course. Under course full name, I will type Biology, Human Cell. Just to be consistent with the course we have in SimLab Administrator. Moodle also requires a short name for the course, so I will type BHC. Scroll down and open the course format section. Change the format to a single activity. Once the page refreshes, choose SCORM package in the type of activity menu. Now click on Save and Display. Choose the course we just created. Under Name, I will type Human Cell. In the Package section, click on the arrow in the box to bring up the file picker. Make sure that the Upload a File option is selected, then click on Choose File. Browse to the SCORM package we exported from the SimLab Composer, then click it. Now click on Upload this file. Go to the bottom of the page, then click Save and Display. We are done importing our lesson into Moodle. Now we need to enroll users into the course. Click on Participants. Now click Enroll Users. Under Select Users, choose the students or the participants you want to share the VR lesson with. Once you are done, click on Enroll Users. Now we have 3 enrolled users. We will log in as one of them and see how they can run the lesson. Once the student is logged in, he will have access to the Human Cell lesson, and once he clicks Enter, he will find the quiz inside it. Now click Run to run the experience. Click on Open SimLab VR Showroom. Wait until the package downloads and opens. I will do the experience, then run the quiz. Click on the quiz button, then click Start to begin the quiz. Click on the answer to highlight it, then press Next. The selected model is highlighted in green. After the student answers the last question, he then submits the quiz and it be directly sent to the administrator or the teacher, so they can view the results, which we will learn in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.